Firstly, I would like to really thank bpTT for, this collaboration. I think it's a good venture. It's a good way of showcasing the National Skills Development Program.
The rationale for the program is quite simple. It's about building capability for the future, bringing in new talent, and preparing them for the skills we will need in the future. I'm extremely impressed by the quality of the apprentices we have. I think our partner, MIC, have done a brilliant job in recruiting. Exactly what we're looking for. What I've seen is they are highly articulate, extremely skilled, and bring that work ethic I think that we're looking for. They've been open, I've seen them present, and just really looking forward to see how they integrate into the teams.
We at MIC do really hope that the ideal graduates, especially those coming out of this program, this highly technical program, that when they enter the workforce, that they will be well equipped to take on this new world that we have, this new world of artificial intelligence and the rapid change in technology that we see.
As a young person from Mayaro, especially a young lady, I think that this opportunity opens a lot of doors for me, and I think this is a good opportunity to introduce more women into the field and more young persons from Mayaro, as we are the home of a lot of the oil and gas in the country.
Definitely has been a journey. Of course, nothing is easy, or nothing that is good comes easy. It really helped me grow as an individual, helped me to be able to work with others more efficiently, more effectively, and all in all foster our team spirit so that we could move together and grow from strength to strength.
I appreciate BP for giving back to the community and helping young persons like myself and many others from my area to further education and get into the field, and I appreciate it a lot.